You have already learnt in a initial or in a previous standard sense organs. So how many types of sense organ in our body? It is the nose, eyes, ear, tongue, and the last one it is the skin. Okay, that are all the sense organ. It is called as the sensible organs. So now let's one by one their features and their functions. Okay, eyes are the most important part in our body because eyes, the function of eyes to see. If we do not have eyes, we cannot see the all these beautiful things what is happening in our surrounding. The function of eyes to see, the function of eyes to see. Next one it is the nose. Next one it is the nose. The function of nose, it is the to take odor, to take odor, or otherwise another is called as the to take smells. Okay, that smell including the bad smell, otherwise as well as the good smell, means fragrance, the function of the nose. Okay, the third one it is the ear. Okay, the function of ears, it is the to hear, to hear. There are the innumerable sounds in our surrounding that can hear with the help of the ears. Fourth one it is the tongue, and tongue it is the largest muscle in human body. Tongue it is the largest muscle in human body. It is called as the muscle, not I said bone. Tongue is the largest muscle in human body because tongue do not have a bones. And initially I have told you muscle means it is the flexibles. It is the flexibles muscles. There are the 600 or above types of muscles are present in human body. Tongue is the largest muscle of human body. Okay, why it is called as the largest muscle of human body? Because tongues detects the all taste. Tongues detects the all taste, means that can be the sweet also, sweet, bitter, spicy, sweet, bitter, spicy, sour, or salty. That all tastes are detects with the help of the tongue. Tongue detects the sweet, bitter, spicy, sour, and salty. If we did not have a tongue, if we do not have a tongues, we cannot take the taste of other foods. Last one part it is the skin, and skin it is the outermost part of our body. Skin is the outermost part of our body. Outermost part of our body, and skin it is the largest part of our body. Our body as well as largest part. Skin is the outermost part of our body, and skin it is the largest part of our body. Skin has a two main parts. The skin has a how many parts? Two parts. Skin has a two main parts. First one it is the epidermis, and second one it is the dermis. Okay, second one it is the dermis. For example, this is the skin. Okay, this is the skin. It is the outermost cover of our body, and the function of skin, it protects us from touch, hot object, cold object. It protects from the skin, and it is the function of the skin. Skin has the two main parts. First it is the epidermis, and below the lies the dermis is present. Below the lie the dermis is present. In the epidermis it is the outer layer, and dermis it is the inner layer. And this epidermis layer, the pigment is present. That pigment known as the melanin. Keep in your mind, epidermis and dermis are the two parts of our skin, but in epidermis the pigment is present, melanin, and this melanin decides the fairness and darkness of our skin. All humans are not in the same colors. All humans are not occurrence in the same colors, means all humans have a different complexion because of the melanin present in our epidermis, and this melanin decides the which fairness of the skin and darkness of the skin, which fairness of the skin due to the melanin less and the darkness melanin more. This melanin decides the fairness and darkness of our skin. I hope you might have understood that skins, ball and socket joint, hinge joints, and initially we had studied about the all that concepts you might have understood, and you will be sent soon the question and answer of these lessons. But you should have a regular habit to do homework, do as I provide to you, because it will help to you to answer the questions.